box. It feels very premium. And has a lot of features, and includes the remote that has the screen, which I think is touch screen, but I'm not 100% sure. I guess we'll figure that out later. Here we go. Oh wow. Doing this. So right off the bat, I mean, this case is really, really nice and super high quality. Probably nicer than my backpack. So I unzip it. So look at this. Kind of stuck in there. Hold on. Okay, so this seems to be the place where you put the drone batteries in. And they just slide in right in here. And it clicks really nice. It's like a satisfying click. Wow. And then and this is the controller. Wow, it's really big. How do I open this? Oh wow. Oh, look at this. Super, super heavy, probably guessing like 1.5 pounds, I'm guessing. And I'm guessing these are the antennas or like receptors or whatever that go on here. Again, I'm new to this whole drone universe, so excuse me if I use the wrong terminology for it. I'm guessing these are the grips back here that you screw in. Oh yeah, they just pop out, these little things. And I think they screw on like this. Oh yeah, wow. That is cool, wow. And they're pretty flimsy. Well, not flimsy, but like bouncy, springy. That's the word I'm looking for, springy. Wow. Some buttons in the back, some buttons up here. Charging, I'm guessing. An SD card. And then I'm not sure what these little holes are right here. So SD card, charging, but I'm not sure what these are right here. Maybe someone in the comments can tell me what that is. Or maybe it's in the instruction manual. I'm surprised there's no instruction manual. I don't see one. Here's the empty case. Then here's the drone. So the reason I got this drone is that apparently you don't have to register it because it's under a certain weight. I think it's like under 250 grams, I think. I don't know, it's under a certain weight, and so it's easier for traveling, I'm guessing. Or that's what the Best Buy person told me. Ooh, some protective layer, plastic piece thing. Oh wow. This is very premium, very well protected. So I'm guessing I keep this because this doesn't feel like something that you would throw away because the quality of it. It's almost like a soft plastic rubbery feel. So I'm guessing, yeah, it says please use the propeller holder to protect the propellers when storing. So I'll definitely need to keep that. Definitely keep this. To charge to activate the intelligent light battery before using for the first time. Wow. Okay. But yeah, I mean, look at this. Here's the sit upside down or bottom of the drone. Here's the other side of it. But yeah, man, there's so many sensors on it. Feels high tech. Okay, so they swivel like down and then up. Okay, I thought I broke it for a second. I was like, oh, wow. So I mean, it's a good, probably foot wide with the legs extended. Probably longer if you count the propellers once they're fully extended. But yeah, I mean, holy crap, this looks really high tech and it swivels. Okay, let's remove that. Let's get this off, get that off. Wow, look at that. And then the batteries go over here, I think. Yeah, here's the third battery I can put in here and charge. And here's what the inside looks like. Wow. And another piece of foam right here. Hold on. I don't know why the camera's doing that. Hold on. So this foam piece was right there. I just took it out. But wow. And again, I'm surprised there's no instruction manual. Let's see if there's anything else in the case. Oh. There was a zipper up here. Charging cables. So propellers, extra, well, not propellers, but extra blades for the drone. And then two like charging cable thingies for it. I'm guessing one's for the drone and one's for the controller. Then a screwdriver, tiny screwdriver. Gel thingies. Aha, here's the instruction. Okay, so I'm guessing these are stickers right here. All the packaging feels really high quality. Almost feels like you're unboxing an iPhone or like a really expensive device. Cool stickers. Cool stickers. Oh my god. It's like a surplus of stickers over here. Okay. I believe that's it. But it's a nice case. And then, I mean, that's pretty much it that came with it. I believe so. Hold on, let me check the box. Yeah, I mean, basically it. It's all empty.